In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a magic ring or magic circle in two different ways. First, just grab a yarn. So first of all, I'm going to put the yarn like this. You can see it's like crossing each other into a loop. And I'm gonna flip it out upside down and use my index finger and my thumb to hold it in place. The next step is you're going to grab a hook and then going to insert your hook in the middle so that you can grab. You can see that there are actually two sides of the tail, the shorter end and the longer end. We want to grab that longer end and put it through that loop like this. It's going to be slightly hard to hold, but bear with me, please. So now I'm going to use my index and thumb to kind of pull that loop back. And I'm going to use the index and thumb of the other hand to kind of hold it in place. So just have to switch hands slightly. But now that I got a better hold of the loop, there's a big loop and then the small loop that we just did. We're going to grab that piece of yarn. So this is called yarn over hook. And then you're going to pull your hook through. So the next step would be we'll push the hook through this big loop. We yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through the first loop, pull through the second loop. And this is called a single crochet. In order to make a magic ring, typically people make 6 single crochet in total. So I'm going to make 5 more single crochet. So again, push the hook into the big loop, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through the first loop, pull through the second loop. That's a second single crochet. So let's make the third one. And pull through the both loops. So I'm going to make 3 more single crochet, hook into the middle, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. Okay, 2 more, hook in the middle, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 1 more. Hook in the middle, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. So now we have a total of 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next thing I will do is basically we have the long end of the tail and then the short end of the tail. We're going to pull on the short end so that you can see the loop is getting smaller and smaller. We're going to pull it tight so that we get this small circle, which is also known as a magic ring. This is the first method to make a magic ring, which is harder for a beginner to make. It's still hard for me to make, to be honest. So I'm going to show you an easier way, which I like more. Okay, so grab a yarn. This is an easier way. So we're going to start off similarly by sort of make a loop by crossing the yarn over. And after that, I'm going to fold the loop over. Now using your hook, I'm going to pull through and pull it tight to make a loop. If your loop that you make is big, you can pull it on using the long end of the tail to make the loop smaller. So this is called a loop. Once you have your loop, you're going to make 2 chains. In order to make a chain, you yarn over hook and then you pull through. So now you have 1 chain basically. So in order to make another chain, you yarn over hook again and pull through that loop. So now we have 2 chains. In order to make a magic ring, we're going to put the hook into the first chain like that. And we'll have to make 6 single crochet in that first chain. To make a single crochet, you do yarn over hook, pull through. Notice how you have 2 loops. You're going to yarn over hook again and pull through both of the loops. This is 1 single crochet. We're going to repeat 5 more times. So let's put the hook through the first chain again. Let's yarn over hook and then yarn over hook and pull through both loops. Now we got our second single crochet. Push the hook through the first chain, yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. That's our third single crochet. Let's make 3 more. Yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. That's the 4th single crochet. Now let's do the 5th. Yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. Then let's make the final one. Yarn over hook, pull through, yarn over hook, pull through both loops. That's our last single crochet. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A total of 6 single crochet in order to complete our magic ring. So I'm going to bring back the first version of the magic ring that we've made. As you can see, they look very similar, pretty much the same basically. So if you have a harder time making it using the first method, I recommend the second method, which is a lot easier.